Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the vibration of your Galaxy M15. So slide up, go to settings, go to the sound and vibration. Slide up and search for co-vibration. And here you have a choice, a few options. You hear it? Okay. I hear it and I touch it because phone is vibrating right now. Of course, you can choose the silent if you don't want to vibration on SIM 1. Of course, you can do the same for the SIM 2, whatever you want. Yep, that's it. Next, you can set up the vibration for your notification. It's the same for the both of SIM. You can choose whatever you want. You can only choose the one vibration option for the both of SIM card. You can choose the system vibration, so you can system vibration intensity, choice whatever hard or low, whatever, and you can disable for every option in your system like touch, dialing, Samsung keyboard, charging or navigating, gesture, and there is a vibration intensity one more time getting in your system. So that's it all for the vibration. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.